Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom wallpaper from your Android gallery to your smartwatch using the FitPro app. This process is very similar for almost any smartwatch app, so this guide will be super helpful. If you find this content useful, please consider subscribing, and let's get started. First, let's set up the app correctly. Long press the FitPro icon. Select App Info and enable permissions for location, storage or photos and videos, and nearby devices. These permissions are essential for the app to access your images and link to your watch. Also, make sure your Bluetooth and GPS are turned on. Now, open the app and make sure your watch is connected. If it isn't, go to Settings and select a Bind device. Wait for your smartwatch to appear in the list and tap it to connect. Once connected, go to the Settings tab and choose Dial Settings. You will see several options. Look for the one titled European Cups or any default dial. Select it, then tap Select to open your phone's gallery. Pick your favorite photo and hit Install. If the transfer doesn't start immediately, just tap Install again, and the process will begin. And that's it. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.